today I wanted to discuss credit since I'm in the lab working on some today. When it comes to credit repair, I have gotten questions about things popping back up on your credit after you dispute and it comes off. Now, that happens across the board. I don't care who you go to, how long they've been doing credit repair, whatever the case may be, that happens across the board. There are a lot of times when something that's deleted will be reinserted onto your credit report after it's been deleted. If you're going through a credit restoration company, or if you're coming through my company for services, just understand that if something gets deleted, there is a possibility for it to come back onto your credit. And then it has to be redisputed, all right? So just letting you know, because I know people have asked that question, well, why is it coming back up? Or why, okay, well, I'm going to answer that for you. It happens no matter who does the credit restoration for you, whether you do it yourself, a professional, whatever, there's a possibility that it can come back on. Another thing when it comes to credit restoration is that there are so many people right now claiming to be credit repair specialists, because in actuality, anyone can repair credit, and I'm in the business of credit. Anyone can do it. I teach it all the time. At the end of the day, it depends on how passionate somebody is about helping that individual and not just repairing their credit, but actually educating them on how to use it, what's being done, how they can better leverage their credit once they do accomplish getting to a 700 credit score. See, through She's Got Her Own Network, that's what we're all about. We want to not only just repair your credit, we want to actually educate you along the way. It doesn't make sense to have good credit if you don't know what to do with it. The only thing you would have is bragging rights, all right? And a lot of people go directly to the car dealership, and instead of going to the car dealership, if you come through me for credit repair, I'm going to go over other scenarios that will be more beneficial to you than going straight to the car lot to get a car. After we worked so very hard to get you from down here to up here, let's not go to a car lot that's going to depreciate and bring you back down here. Let's think of some other ways to flip this credit. That's what it's all about when it comes to She's Got Her Own Network, credit restoration, and when I personally fix people's credit. I mean, if you're one of my clients, if you've been one of my clients, I just want to say thank you. Credit repair restoration is a process. It does not happen overnight. Even though some people get results in a few weeks or whatever the case may be, everyone differs, all right? But what I can say is nothing happens overnight. So if you're finding people out there that's saying that they can repair your credit overnight, run. I actually tried that with some people before, and I gave them my money and they took $3,500 from me, and I never seen them again. So just make sure you do your due diligence when it comes to people handling your files. Me personally, I will not hold on to files if I'm not working the file. I get rid of them. I do not want people's information just hanging around, no. If I'm not working your file, I haven't heard from you in I don't know how long, I've been trying to contact you, I get rid of that file. At the end of the day, I'm very protective over my clients and their personal information, because there's too many breaches and people, exposing people's information these days to where it's like, no, I'm very serious about identity protection. I'm very serious about the education of my clients and the elevation of my clients. So I don't want to see anything bad happening, especially with all the hard work that I'm putting in personally to make sure that these credit scores go up. I don't want them going down because of identity theft. Make sure that I protect my clients and educate them on how they can protect themselves. All right, so this was just a credit, little education course from She's Got Her Own Network. I am Christia'n and until next time, I will talk to you guys then. Bye.